In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Steam account. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So if you want to go ahead and close your Steam account permanently, it is pretty much simple. All you need to do is to go to your account here and then click on it. You can see your account name. Under this, go ahead and click on account details. From account details, you'll be able to see various options, and under account details here, head down to this option called delete my Steam account. If you click on this, you will be redirected to this page that will give you a guide on how you can delete your Steam account. In the first step, we are told you'll have to verify the ownership of your account, and that is calls will be sent to your email for confirmation. And then step 2, Steam support will respond to your request to confirm your information. And third, your account will be locked and then deleted in 30 days. So if you're okay with this, now click on proceed to account deletion, and this will go ahead and take you to this page where you have to submit your account deletion details. And among the details you have to submit is what was the first email you used on your account. You have to provide it, and then the second, provide a phone number from your contact. So this applies for those who had added phone numbers on their accounts to aid for recovery, but if you didn't, then there is no need. So if there is anything else that you'd like them to know, you can go ahead and input them here or make an attachment here and then finalize by clicking on send. From here now, you have to wait for the second process to kick in and your account will be deleted. So that's how you can permanently delete your Steam account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.